Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ali Akbar Amil, and this is my explanation about the content in the drawing I made connected to Dr. Jose Rizal's poem entitled To the Philippine Youth. In my drawing, you will see our country's map with three people symbolizing the youth standing together on one hand. The drawing shows how influential the youth can be if society recognizes and values their talents and importance to the country's future. The three people represent the unity of youth from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. It doesn't matter where they are from or their cultural differences. When they unite, they can help our country's future. For my explanation about the content of the poem, in the first paragraph, Dr. Jose Rizal saying that Filipino youth should be peaceful and dignified, show their abilities and recognize their intelligence. In the second paragraph, Rizal suggests that genius can inspire other Filipino youth to study hard, aiming to improve knowledge and development in our society. In the third paragraph, Rizal suggests also that youth should use art and science to address Filipino society's issues and progress in the future. Valuing our culture and skills for dignity. The fifth and sixth paragraphs emphasize the importance of poetry and music in youth development. The last paragraph or stanzas talk about youth potential to bring prosperity to the country. And Rizal urged them to explore the world, believing in their talent and intelligence.